Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 12, 2025, Wednesday, at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong February 12, 2025, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, February 12, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 12, 2025, Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, February 12, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of February 12, 2025, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.